Hey there, it's Tally, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of performing a trade. Note, if you are reporting buy transactions to local law enforcement, trades will also be included. In this example, customer Steve Mack wants to trade up his Glock 43 for a Glock 19. Let's start by ringing up the firearm he wants to purchase first, and remember, a firearm sale always starts with a customer. ST for Steve and MA for Mac. Confirm you have the correct customer by either the address, phone, or birth date, and then choose Select. Now scan the firearm's barcode into Smart Search. For this transaction, we will remove any transfer fees and protection plans. They can always be added back right here. Selecting Detail and then Item History reveals the entire history of the item, including the cost. Now, let's figure out a trade amount. Enter Glock 43 into the Smart Search and then select the Trade tab. Based on unique buy multipliers set up in your system configuration, the estimated buy amount appears here in cost. Next, you're going to answer the quality assessment questions. Remember, these questions help Bravo in calculating the recommended amounts based on the item's condition and included accessories. Our final buy or cost estimate is here. Displayed above is the trade amount. The trade amount currently represents the amount that you will price this item for when you put it out for sale. By unchecking this box here, Hold Per Buy Requirements, the pricing data is now displayed. The idea here is to negotiate a trade amount. Now is a great time to check out the price guide summary and/or the price guide report and qualify your customer. I would normally buy this firearm for $285, but for 5-star customer Steve Mack, I will give him an extra $50, increasing the trade credit amount to $335. Let's fill in the details and wrap up the transaction. Record the serial number and the storage location here. And now for the gun book. Bravo has auto-completed most of the data found here under Edit ATF Record with the information provided from the estimator. We just need to add the importer to properly complete the A&D or Acquisition and Disposition entry. Additional item details can be added here, and you can always add images by right-clicking on your mouse within the black square and either pasting or taking a photo from your webcam. Now select Next. The customer's balance due is displayed here at the bottom, and select Next to move on. The customer pays with $350 in cash. Note the change due and then select OK. Now choose Save. With the trade-in complete, the trade contract, item tag, and supporting documents will print. Bravo will now move us into the E4473 start screen to complete the transfer of the firearm. That's it, a buy and a sale with a tax benefit all in one single transaction. If you have additional questions, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.